How many times have you shopped online and try to find a coupon code? It doesn't work, it's not verified, you don't find the right website to get these coupons. That's how Cubic started, trying to build a tech platform where you get access to verified coupon codes very seamlessly. Hi everyone, this is Namrata Rana, founder and CEO of Cubic.
What moment made you realize shoppers in the Middle East needed a platform like Cubic?
Before we started Cubic, we actually interviewed a lot of customers, trying to understand how do they feel about putting coupons on platforms and what is their process. The same concept we heard each and every single time, that there's no trust, the coupons are not working, it's not verified. And that's exactly what we wanted to solve with Cubic, a trustworthy platform where any customer who's shopping online does not have to worry about will the coupon work or not. So that's how Cubic was built, and that's how we noticed that shoppers really want this kind of a platform for themselves.
Cubic runs fully digital. How did Meydan Free Zone's digital setup match your pace as a tech founder?
Very similar to how Cubic is a digital-first platform, our team operates online and remote. So it was very easy with us when we were setting up our trade license at Meydan. Everything was digital, everything was online. All we had to do is submit our documentation, not even come to their office, and it was simple and seamless.
You started from the UAE and expanded fast. What helped you grow across 7 countries so quickly?
One is brand partnerships, and the second is tech automation. So when I say brand partnerships, what I mean is that when you have partnerships that are very strong, you can scale almost regionally, specifically in the GCC, because there are a lot of brands that don't just operate in UAE, they also operate in the GCC as well. So that was one of our ways of how we expanded very fast. And the second is our technology is built in a way that is very scalable across geographies. So today we are regional, but we can also scale globally at a very similar pace.
Every founder has a "this changed everything" moment. What was that moment for you during your Meydan Free Zone setup?
Basically, we realized that Meydan is an ecosystem of connections and network. And I think that was an aha moment for us, because we just realized that just starting a trade license and Meydan gives us access to so many people and connections. And I think that's wonderful for Cubic, because as and when we want to scale and grow further, Meydan would be the right location for that.
If you had to describe Cubic's future in one word, what would it be?
Limitless.